Hi everyone, so I'm at the Dollar Tree and they have these adorable containers. As you can see, there's 3 in a pack and they have these little Valentine tops. They have lots of garland and of course they have these containers. They typically have them every year and they got this fun garland decor. Lots of beautiful little signs. And they have the little jars that they have pretty annual, it seems, and they are adorable. They have these sweet little cardboard boxes with lids, lots of different variations. And I was obsessed with these little stuffed animal things, or stuffed donut. They had lots of fun varieties for that. And they had these cute little door hangers, lots of little jingle in them. So many wonderful like goodie bag fillers for school. Lots of, I love the fortune cookies. I got a set of those, a couple of sets of those. And they had these gorgeous little baking cups, foil. I have never seen it like that. They also had pink ones. I'll show in my haul. They have the fabric gift bags, which are actually a larger size this year. Normally they're a bit smaller, so that was really nice. That could be because you can tuck more in. Cups, and they had these adorable little boxes, and the boxes are perfect for swapping or just Valentine gifts in general, like jewelry and things like that. And they also had these adorable little elastic ties that were shaped like hearts. Those are really cute for like a Valentine's basket. And the heart doilies, they had those. Lots of beautiful hangings for doors. I love the kissing booths. I thought the dino was perfect for a boys' room, like a little boys' room. And the cupcake, the love sign, the rainbow. Those are really, really sweet. Lots of tissue paper. I felt like they didn't have that much during the holiday. They had this heart one, and that's perfect for swapping or wrapping like gifts and things. They also had this fun zebra one, which I haven't seen, and it had like a little foil with it. Lots of gift bags, really pretty ones. This glass cup was a really great size, and I feel like it'd be great for like a DIY with a candle. And they have all these amazing like door hanger type things, and they're getting so good at this. I really appreciate it. Look at the gnome, it's so cute. I cannot believe how far they've come with these decor decorations, and only $1. Let's hope it stays that way, right? They have these cute little bins. These are actually a nice size. They aren't like smaller, they're bigger than the other totes, and I love those. Love you always is so sweet. Like the bucket style, and you know they've been coming out with these, which I've seen lots of DIYs for those. I'm not that ambitious to do the wood ones. Adorable little goodie bags for classes, little treat bags, loads of candy of course, and I'll get to the craft aisle in a second. I just kind of went through here to see what they had. I love the handle on the bags they have. And actually, I saw these containers, and I have never seen them. I don't know if you guys have used them for swaps, but I think they're amazing for swaps rather than the tiny, tiny little boxes. Those are like 3 compartments and a really good size. I had contemplated on getting it, but I'm not in any swaps, so, but it's great for even just storage, for craft storage. And the cup, I found another one, which I showed in the previous aisle. They have lots of adorable little fuzzy socks, or just socks, I mean. The gnomes are so cute. And here's the craft aisle. So lots and lots of wood, like little crafts, as you can see. And then on the bottom, they have like these little gemmy lights. Over here, these are great DIYs. These are very thick. Like, these are not thin. They are thick, almost like if you went to Hobby Lobby and bought one. They are so nice. I personally wouldn't do anything with them, but also they have these ornaments with envelopes, and you can tuck things in them. I thought they were so cute. I actually forgot to get a pair, but I thought they were cute. That might even be a good idea for a paper craft, like to do a DIY envelope like this as a pocket and with a heart on top. So maybe I'll try and make something like that in a future tutorial. The little car hanger is adorable too. And you see so many awesome DIYs. I love this for like, you know, just putting around the house like on a display or something. And they have this cute little cupcake tin thing for DIYs. The envelope, cactus, the gnomes. The gnome picks are just so cute. The flowers, I actually forgot to get a pair of these flowers and I regret it. I'm gonna have to go back, maybe tomorrow. There was only one heart ornament left. I grabbed them, but these are gonna be perfect for packages or on the Valentine's baskets that I'm making. And they have like little gemmy hearts, and these they usually have. These are actually a little bit smaller this year, I noticed, and these will go great in swap packages like with the confetti. If you throw some of these hearts in, oh, they'll be so cute. Or even inside your Valentine basket, like I typically make a Valentine basket. The silicone heart molds and the heart lights. I love how they're doing lights for all the holidays now. And here's the smaller buckets, the heart-shaped ones. These are smaller than the other ones that I had showed you in the beginning, and I got actually some of the larger ones. They have these little LED lights, and these are different because they have the pink wire. So if you're looking for something with pink wire, they've got the heart picks as usual. The DIY pins were awesome this year. These are great for like advent calendars or just little baggies. So the hearts are so cute. I had to grab a set of that. And they have these adorable little vases, like colored ones. They're so cute. I personally don't have anything I could do with them, but look at the colors were just like selling me, but I didn't grab one. Lots of stickers for the kids and bags, and these little kits are great because, you know, at the Dollar Tree they sell them a little more. Stamps for class goodie bags, which I usually love to do. And look at this, they have the wire like garland. They had them in quite a few colors. I think I show them a little bit later in the video, just so you can see which colors they have. But if you're doing a DIY or swaps, those are so cute. And then they have this craft bottles, which they've been having for all the holidays. The lid is like a metallic pink, and then they have the regular metallic lid. So yeah, here's some, just showing the rest of the colors because I forgot to show you. And some more, look at these. These are sequin little like hearts. They are so sweet, especially on a package or something. And they have these like colorful ones I thought would be perfect for summer. Okay. And I loved these clips. I had to grab a set of that too. They just have the best clips right now. And that's it, guys. Thanks for joining.